Hey crafters, wanna know how to make the coolest mini book ever? Your doll's gonna love reading along with you. Let's get started. Stuff you need. It's like a treasure hunt. Mod Podge. It's like magic glue. Regular glue. Yep, we need both. Paintbrush. The tinier the better. Scissors. Be careful, they're sharp. Cardstock or printer paper if you can't find cardstock, bobby pins, or any clips you can find. Let's make magic. First up, grab your covers and slather them with Mod Podge. It's gonna dry clear and make your book super strong. How cool is that? Now we gotta wait. I know, waiting is boring, but trust me, it's worth it. Maybe do a little dance while we wait 20 minutes for the covers to dry. Covers dry? Awesome. Time to cut out the pages. Pro tip, if you're using plain old printer paper, put Mod Podge on every page. It's like giving your book a superpower. Here's a secret. Don't cut each page separately. Cut out the rows and we'll fold them later. It's gonna make your life so much easier. Folding time. I like to fold them print side in first, then flip them inside out. But you crafty superstar. Get ready. Get your glue ready. Paint it on the back of the pages. You can use Mod Podge too if you're out of glue. Want to know the difference? Mod Podge is like glue's cooler cousin. It sticks and seals. Now for the fun part. Press those pages onto the cover, like giving your book a big hug. Keep going until you reach the back cover. Almost done. Grab your bobby pins or whatever clips you found and clip those pages together. It's like giving your book a tiny hat. One last wait, I promise. Let it dry completely. You could make up a story for your doll while you wait. Ta-da! You've got a WellieWishers sized book. Your doll can totally read along with you now. How amazing is that? Don't forget to show off your awesome creation. Like and subscribe for more super cool American Girl crafting adventures. Happy crafting!